Hey guys, quick vlog for today. It's regarding drones. Like, I have a Mavic Pro. I used to have a Mavic Pro before. I have a Mavic Pro 2. And the thing is, I have the smart controller, which is big. I'll just get it. Hey guys, I used to have the Mavic Pro, which has this controller, and I have now a Mavic Pro 2, which has this controller. The problem with the Mavics is when you turn it on, like this, it's too noisy. Like whenever you turn it on, people are gonna say, "Oh, there's a drone. There's a drone somewhere." So yeah, and one of the worst things regarding the noise of this controller is that whenever you run out of battery, you're low battery, it's gonna start beeping and you can turn it off. The new one, like whenever you fly your drone and if it's beeping or something, you can just press, if it's return to home, you can just press this one here and it shuts up. But if it's low on battery, you can't shut it off. So this one here, listen. Oops. So that's the sound. It's too noisy. This one, it's not noisy anymore. So yeah. Okay, the reason behind that is that I was watching a lot of YouTube videos and they drilled a hole in the back, like this one here. They drilled a hole and they muffled the speaker here. I didn't take off the speaker because the thing is, yeah, I might need a sound a bit. I just wanted to lower the volume of it. So what I did was I drilled a hole here. Not directly drill. What I did was I used a metal chopstick, use a torch, heat it up, plug it in, and yeah, there was a hole here. And the speaker, I muffled it. I pressed the speaker with something that's that chopstick. So I think I ruined the speaker here, and it was still making a bit of sound. So what I did was I got some blue tacks, put it in there. So yeah, it's sealed, it's water sealed. I'm gonna put a tape around here. So yeah, it's good, it's not noisy. And the good thing about that is it still has sound. Look. Oh, fail. So it's really minimal, you can't hear it. It's awesome. So whenever I fly a drone and I run out of batteries, I'm gonna have the drone come back to me. It's gonna start beeping. I can hear it, but it's not that loud. It's like beep, like beep. I can't simulate because this one here is the one that's making a loud sound. This one here is not making any sound. So yeah, that's it. Just drill a hole. And yeah, the reason why I drill a hole in this remote controller, because this remote controller is expensive if you want to replace it. So I drill a hole here, hole here, because the thing is I have a smart controller, and the smart controller, the one I use, though this one here I didn't disable the speaker because this is much more expensive and I don't want to ruin it. But yeah, so that's it. Quick vlog. Bye. Oh, one more thing before I go. I forgot to tell you. If you want to do this mods on your remote controller, the measurements are from the top, from this line here, you measure 7 cm, 7 mil. I forgot, damn it. 7 mil, not centimeters. 7 mil from here, going down, and then 15 mil from here. So 15 going that way, 7 going that way, put a hole there, and you got your speaker head on. That's it. Bye.